Let's be honest, employee engagement isn't just low in some workplaces. It's non-existent. People are showing up physically but checked out mentally. And it's not because they're lazy, it's because leadership stopped asking the right questions. Engagement challenges don't magically disappear with a branded mug or casual Friday. You have to go deeper. Are your people heard? Do they understand their impact? Are you rewarding effort, or just output? Disengagement is a slow leak. It creeps in through poor communication, lack of recognition, and leaders who are too busy to connect. If you ignore it, you'll bleed talent, morale, and momentum. Want change? Start by listening and acting on what you hear. Build trust. Give people purpose. Recognize wins and coach through challenges. The HR ICU is here to help you stop guessing and start engaging, with real strategies that work, not fluff.